Peekaboo! Hey buddies, welcome back. Do you remember what did we learn yesterday? Yes, we learned alphabet H. Now, today I will give you one worksheet related to letter H. Before that, we will revise letter H. Children, do with me. Wave your hands in the air. Yes, wave your hands, touch your head. Very good. Wave your hands, touch your head. Wave your hands, touch your heart. Wave your hands, touch your heart. Wave your hands, touch your heart. All names begins letter H. And what is this? Yes, hands. Hands also begin with letter H. Now, ma'am will show you some objects related to letter H. Children, which letter is this? Letter H. Capital H, small h. Mama H, baby H. Sound of letter H is H. What is this in my hand? A handkerchief. H says H, H as in handkerchief. H says H, H as in hairband. H says H, H as in hammer. H says H, H as in hanger. Children, what is inside this jar? Yes, yummy, yummy honey. H says H, H as in honey. Look children, what is this? A hat. H says H, H as in hat. These are headphones. H says H, H as in headphones. Children, now ma'am will do one activity related to letter H. Are you ready? Yes.
So children, I have a colorful activity for you. And the name of the activity is palm painting. We are going to make a hand using palm. So first of all, you have to take a paper, yellow color, red sketch pen and brown sketch pen. So children, what is this? This is my palm. Now you have to apply yellow color on your palm. And then press it properly on the paper. Wow! Look children. And now we will make big and rest of of the hand. Now we will make legs of hand. We will use brown sketch pen. So children, look what we made. We made hand. H for hand. Capital H, small h, mama h, baby h. Sound of letter H is H. H as in hand. So children, do this activity at your home with the help of your parent.
I am going to give you one practice worksheet. Look at this worksheet. In this worksheet, there is a picture of hen. You can join the dots with crayon and then color it nicely. You can do this practice work in your English classwork book, page number 9. Children, I hope you enjoyed this session. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.